SanDisk brand of MicroSD cards, and coming up I will suggest the best SD card for each of the Mavic drones. The Mini 2 can record video at up to 2.7K, so the SanDisk Ultra card will be perfect for this drone. I recommend a 32GB size. The DJI Mini 2 and Mavic Air 2 both record at 4K, therefore I would recommend the SanDisk Extreme 4K card for this, and 64GB should be enough for most recording trips. The DJI Air 2S can record at up to 5.4K. Whilst the Extreme 128GB card will be fine, I would recommend going for the Extreme Pro 128GB card just to give yourself that margin of error. And finally, the Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 can record at 5.1K at 50 frames per second, therefore the minimum would be the Extreme 128GB, but as with the DJI Air 2S, I would recommend going for the Extreme Pro 128GB card. The links to all of these SD cards are available in the description.